Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you how to make text appear and disappear in Instagram story. So first of all we will open up our Instagram here, and then what we will do here, we will actually tap on the plus icon here, and then now we will tap on the story here. Okay, and now what we can actually do here, we will actually add a little text here. Okay, so I will just make a story here, and now we will actually add text here. Okay, so we will tap on this a option here, and we will add text here which is like test. And now Instagram has this thing that Instagram has different fonts here. Okay, and each font have different animation. So let's suppose if I select this font here, and if I tap on this icon here, okay, you will see now this has this type of animation, which is a typewriter animation. If I change the text here, you will see it is now making the text appear and disappear. And if I change this font here, you will see it has the different animation, then this has different, then this has different. So that's how to make text appear and disappear in Instagram story. So guys, if you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.